make a 3D transforming ninja star. Let's start. The things you need are 9 sticky notes. The first step is take one sticky note and then you need to fold the paper like this, and then you need to leave some gap on the top. You can leave how much ever gap you want. This gap will be the height of your 3D transforming ninja star. After doing that, turn it over and then you need to fold the extra part back like this. By doing this, your stencil will be ready. After the stencil is ready, take a sticky note, then unfold this flap, take the sticky note and keep it to the fold, and then fold this thing back. After doing that, you need to fold the sticky note like this until you see the stencil. After you see the stencil, just make a crease. Unfold it, take it out, turn it over, keep it again like that, and then do the same thing again. After doing that, you need to turn the sticky note 90 degrees, and then you can see one line like this. This should be vertical to you. It should be opposite. And then unfold the stencil and then keep it like this in such a way that this fold is in horizontal shape. Then fold this stencil back. Then you need to fold this until you see the stencil, and then make a crease. After doing that, you need to fold this part like this, and then you need to fold this diagonally like this, like this. Do the same thing on the other side. After doing this, you need to fold this thing into half like this, and then make a crease in the center. Then unfold it. And now here you need to make a diagonal fold from here to here, and then from here to here. To do that, you need to fold this line you need to bring this line to here, which is by doing it like this. Make sure that this has a pointed edge, and then just fold it. Then unfold it. Do the same thing on the other side. After doing that, turn this over, and this thing you need to fold it back like this. After doing that, fold this like this, and then push this part inside like this. In the same way, you need to make 7 more parts like this. After doing them, you need to attach them. To attach them, you need to take one piece like this, take another piece, insert the closed side in this flap edge like this, and then you need to fold these things over here like this. In the same way, you need to do the rest of all. The last part is a bit tricky, so I'm showing the process how to do it. take this one, the one which has empty like this, you need to keep that facing downwards, and then insert this like this down, and then adjust this like this, and then you need to fold these flaps over here inside this like this, and same thing on the other side. And then these ones you need to fold this inside this. So first make a fold and then insert it inside like this. The same thing on the other side, fold it, then insert it. To transform the Ninja Star, you need to take it like this, hold two colors, push it inside like this, then turn it, hold two other colors, push it inside. Your Ninja Star will be transformed. To transform this back, you just need to pull it out like this. Thanks for watching guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe.